Hello and good afternoon everyone. We are here at Automation Expo 2025 and we are having Mr. Gaurav Bawa, Senior Vice President WIKA India. So let's start this conversation knowing more about WIKA's updates. So my first question related to Godrej Calibration Services. What were the key factors that helped WIKA Instruments India to acquire Godrej Calibration Service business?
As you know, WIKA is a name in instrumentation industry worldwide, and Godrej had a lot of synergy with what we do today. I would say one of the best network of calibration services in India today. So it makes a lot of sense to merge both these entities together to create what we have to serve the customers today. So we have a great portfolio of products on instrumentation, and now we have the strength of giving services to our customers all across India. So I think that is a big game changer for us at WIKA today of acquiring this business of Godrej Calibration Services.
Are there plans to expand calibration service into new sectors or region in India?
As you know, the Godrej piece of the business was already into a lot of other sectors, more diversified than even what we do today on the calibration piece. So we continue to expand into all the areas where there is a growth potential for calibration services, and we continue to be a one-stop shop for calibration. So when we go to a customer and we are at the customer side, we able to be a one-stop shop where we calibrate everything at the customer side for all the instrumentation that you have. So we would continue to do that.
Great, sir. Moving forward to our next question, are there further partnerships or acquisitions in the pipeline for WIKA?
WIKA has been worldwide an acquisitive company. We acquired companies in 2014, three of them, basically three brands and two legal entities. In 2014, we've done this now. We continue to explore opportunities for WIKA in India for acquisitions wherever it makes sense, which adds to our strength of product portfolio, technology or services. So we continue to do that. At any point in time, we are evaluating a number of opportunities that we have. So difficult to comment on what closes when, but yes, we continue to explore opportunities in India.
Wrapping up this conversation, could you elaborate on the process of integrating Godrej Calibration Service into WIKA's existing operation?
We are going to have a very smooth transition and we are very sensitive to this, assimilating people from both these cultures together, though we find the values of Godrej as well as of WIKA are very similar. So I believe that the transition will be smooth and good. However, we are making sure that the people who we have brought over into the WIKA family feel that the move has been better and for their careers and for their personal growth, and we would ensure do this transition very, very smoothly. So today, as I speak, have already the certifications in a very short span of time. We've already got the NABL accreditation in the WIKA name for all the centers, so that we have no disruption for our customers as well. So that's very important when you do this transition. So customers should not feel the changeover, and we have the same system and processes in place. So it will take a bit of time, but I think we want a seamless transition for our customers, and that's most important to us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.